This is the right way to project a text on a mesh object in Blender. Go to Shift A and then add your text, and then go to edit mode and then type the word you want to use for your text projection. I'll go to top view and then align the text on the mesh. So I'll go to top view 7 and then select the text first, select the mesh second, go to edit mode, go to mesh, and under mesh you select knife project. So the text has been projected on the mesh. So we can now delete the original text, and then we can go to or select the mesh, go to edit mode, and then extrude the mesh on. You can extrude the text on the mesh. So this is how to project knife, or this is how to project a text on a mesh. Subscribe for more tips.